Hi, I'm Evan Aidman. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about some of the eye injury cases I've worked on. And two of them jump into my mind because of the difficulty the cases posed from a liability standpoint and the fact that I was able to work out large settlements, even despite the fact that there were difficult liability issues. So one of them involved a woman who, kind of an elderly woman who walked out into the middle of the street, and right in the middle of the street, and got hit by a car. And really the accident in large part was her own fault. She got hit by the car, she went flopping face down onto the street and had a terrible injury to one of her eyes. She lost almost all of her vision and it was permanent. We had her assessed by a vision injury expert who wrote a functional vision analysis, which really showed how her daily life was affected. And we also made goggles which simulated her vision loss. And we got that case settled for more than $300,000, which means had it been a clear liability case, the case probably would have settled for $600,000 or more. Very similar situation with a man who was shot in the eye with a BB gun. And what was unusual was he shot himself in the eye. And we made the claim against his roommate for negligent maintenance of the BB gun. Again, terrible liability issues and terrible injuries. And again, I had him set up with the same expert, got the goggles, had the vision functional loss assessment done, and again, the case settled for more than $300,000. The bottom line here is that vision injuries are really serious. Insurance companies take them very, very seriously, and even if the liability is very challenging, major settlements are possible, major jury verdicts are possible. So please be in touch with me if you'd like to discuss this. You can reach me at 610-642-7676.